Hi guys, so I'm so excited right now because this long-awaited and highly requested video is finally here. My full-blown hair care routine. Every single thing, process, product I do and use to grow long, thick hair naturally, sharing with you so you can do the same. So make sure you watch till the end so you don't miss a step or a secret. To start off, I do want to show you that my hair is 100% real, no extensions, because I know the internet is a really hard place to trust these days, and I always want you guys to believe in me and my channel, so I wanted to get that out there. So step 1, products I use in the shower and exactly how I wash this crazy, frizzy, wild hair. This is what it looks like if I don't put the right products in it and wash it the right way. So let's hop into the shower so I can show you everything that I do. Alright, let's get personal with my shower routine for my hair because we have a lot to talk about in the rest of the video. So first, for washing my hair, I use warm to hot water in the beginning. I've been using the Aveeno Pure Renewal shampoo and I love it. It's natural, it smells good, it's sulfate free, and by the way, every single product I'm using I will link down below. So depending on how often I wash my hair that week depends on how much product I use. I just worked out, so I like to use a big handful of shampoo and really take my time to work it in my hair. You want to massage it, stimulate some hair growth, and just really get in there to have clean, nice hair that will last you a while in between washes. Also, during shampooing, I use my hair growth techniques, the massage techniques I show you in my how to grow longer, thicker hair video, which I'll link right here in the top left corner. Then I just rinse out my hair with the warm, hot water super well before conditioning. Now for the conditioner, I'm going to show you a little secret I do, starting off with my keratin mask. I pick mine up at Sally's. I'll have it linked down below. Keratin is amazing for the hair. I recommend using it as much as possible. I use about a nickel size amount, rub it in my hands to warm it up, and then apply it to the bottom half of my hair. I then like to use my shower brush to distribute it evenly to the rest of my hair, including my roots, because you don't want to get your roots too conditioned, but you also don't want them to dry out either. Now we're here to take control. Now I like to let the mask sit for minimum 5 minutes, and then here's a little hair hack. I like to apply extra conditioner on top of the mask after 5 minutes goes by. I just feel like your hair absorbs it better and it gives it a variety of ingredients and purposes. So I use about 2 big quarter-size amounts and then apply it to the bottom end of my hair and wait another 10 minutes. You could put it in a bun, wait in the shower, walk around before rinsing it out with cold water, and I promise you guys are going to notice how different your hair feels just by that little hack. Then I go ahead and dry my hair and we'll go on to the after shower hair steps. Right after the shower, I like to brush my hair with my wet brush, and then I take a little butterfly clip and I always just twist it into a low bun. This tames my hair and helps it air dry just more pretty with a little more of a wave / curl and not be so crazy. And then I just do my nighttime skincare routine and body routine, which I have all the details on in my ebook listed down below. So I am going to show you what I do after my hair is dry. If you want to blow dry your hair and do these steps right after, that's fine. I just like to use as little heat as possible. So I'm going to be taking my 2 products for post-shower care, which is my Keratin Tresemme spray and my argan oil treatment. Everything will be listed down below. Also, my 2 favorite brushes for when my hair is dry is my Boar bristle brush, which is also listed down below, and my wet brush. You can see my hair really can use some styling right now, and I will link down below how I straighten my hair since I have a whole video in detail on it, and how I curl my hair, which I have another whole video in detail on it, and you can also see it in the top left of this video. But for today, I'm going to show you one of my heatless hairstyles. So I like to just spray the keratin all over and then brush it with my wet brush to evenly distribute it. Then I take about a dime-sized, nickel-sized amount of the argan oil and only apply that to the bottom half of my hair and my ends. This really just moisturizes it and gets rid of any dry ends. You can see my hair is already looking healthier. When it comes to applying oil treatments or just any oil, I just use my hands for this. I feel like a brush makes my hair look way too greasy. Then I'm going to go ahead and separate my hair into a braid. I find that braiding my hair before bed helps me when it comes to the frizziness or it just getting tangled or all over my bed sheets. It's just so nice and put together, and it leaves a really beautiful finish when you wake up in the morning. Then I like to apply my keratin more and kind of rub it into my braid as well as the roots to get rid of any flyaways and tame down any baby hairs. Now the final steps of my hair care routine, which, P.S. if you made it this far, comment down below 6-minute mark so I can show you some love, but I always have a butterfly clip on hand to keep my hair in this low twisty bun. I find that it keeps all my hairstyles intact and it keeps my hair frizz free without having to use more heat. You can just use some dry shampoo. Also, one of my final hacks is high ponytails are life. I feel like it's so easy to do. It doesn't require heat, just some hairspray or some lotion for your hair to help tame the flyaways, and I believe it helps your hair grow longer because I feel like it's honestly pulling your hair out of your scalp a little bit, promoting faster hair growth. And for tons more secrets and hair hacks, check out my description below for videos such as how to make your hair smell good, how to go days without washing your hair, prevent grease, how to grow thicker hair, longer hair, stop hair loss, straighten your hair, curl your hair, and so much more. Also, I do have my ebook with a ton of secrets I don't share in my videos for only $10. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I love you, and I'll see you in my new video. Mwah.